Hey, this is Matt Wegner with FinancialExcellence.net. It's time for another WordPress tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to add widgets to your sidebars in your WordPress theme. Now it's pretty easy. It's really not a whole lot to it, so this is going to be a short and sweet video. And the question is maybe why you'd want to do that. Well, when you use WordPress, everything is set up on a kind of a what you see is what you get platform. So if you want to have information in the sidebars like the menu or the most recent posts or the most popular posts, you can choose from a selection of widgets and put those in the sidebar. Now what I'm going to do is, this is my dashboard, and you can see yours should look something like this if you're using WordPress. I'm going to scroll down to Appearance, and I'm going to click on Widgets, and that's going to pull up the widgets menu. So here we have the available widgets, and on the bottom they've got the inactive widgets, stuff that hasn't been used or that you've deactivated. Now the widgets here that I have may not be all the same widgets that you have. Some widgets are available through installed plugins and things like that, and some of them come as a default with your theme or just plain with WordPress. So it kind of depends on what theme you're running, what version of WordPress you're running, and what kind of plugins you've installed, but it'll look something like this. Now my theme has 4 sidebars on the right. I can choose between a left or right, a left inner, and a right inner. Most of my widgets are on the right sidebar, and that's the only sidebar that I'm using at this point in time. And you can see I've got a nice selection of several different widgets. And I have a search widget, and that's optimized so that you can search the website, and it's simply entitled Search. I'm going to close that back down. I've got a welcome video where I've copied and pasted the HTML coding from a YouTube video that I created, and I pasted that in here. And I've got a Facebook iframe code pasted in there so you can like us on Facebook, things like that. I've got some polls. I've got a daily cartoon that's on there. So all kinds of things that you can do to customize. So if you want, let's just say I want a calendar of the posts that I've put on the website. Here's a calendar. It says right here, whoops, it's a calendar of my site's posts. If I want to put that up there, I just simply click it and I drag it over, and let's put it right up. You can choose where you want to put it. I'm going to put it right up on top here. I mean, I could put it anywhere in that order of widgets. I'm going to put it right up on top, and I'm going to title it Calendar of Posts. I'm going to save it, and if I choose that I don't want that, I can simply delete it, or I can click it and drag it out and bring it back out to here. So for right now, it's going back in there. It's Calendar of Posts. Everything is good. It's saved. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to view that, visit the site, and preview that to see what it's going to look like. And there it is. So there's my site, and there right at the top is my calendar of posts. You can see I just did one on Wednesday and Friday. We're slacking off, didn't do one on Thursday, but we've got some on Monday and Tuesday. So that's just that particular widget, and again, you can customize and pick and choose. There are all the other widgets that we have there in the sidebar. So it's very simple. I'm going to click back here and go back. You can pick on whatever you have here, and if you don't like what you have, it's pretty easy here. I'm going to go back and delete this one because I really don't like that widget. If you want something special, you can simply just put in a text widget. Scroll down, here's my text widget. You can put arbitrary text or HTML. I would put it right over here, and if I've got some code for, let's say, a video viewer off of Ustream or something, and I wanted to show a featured video or a live podcast feed, you'd put a text widget over in here. You copy the code to embed that video streamer, that video feed. You embed that player. That's the word I'm looking for. You embed that in the text widget and save it, and you're good to go. So it's pretty easy to customize your website and get a real nice look that's more than just the standard cookie cutter approach. So I've got my video in here that I customize and put in that custom code. I've got our Facebook, join our Facebook page application. I've got our daily cartoon here, our daily polls. recommended readings, so people can go and find the books that we like, and that's our affiliate relationship with Amazon. There are the different topics for the blogs, different categories, the different articles by month, and how many we've been posting, so people can go and take a look at that. And I can certainly add to this, I can take away, but I have a customized look that's my own website and nobody else's, because I can use the widgets feature. So pretty good stuff. Play around with it. I hope you're able to customize and get exactly the look that you're looking for. And yeah, just give it some time, play with it, and see what you come up with. Good luck, happy surfing, and enjoy living in financial excellence. Thanks for listening.